Let's take a look at the chart action for Ethereum. Okay, so here's what I'm looking at. We were trending up on this line. We broke this trend line going to the downside. Once we broke the trend line going down, I set up limit orders on these orange lines at the previous bottoms or previous support levels. These levels are sitting around 2,593, 2,370, and 2,160. We got a bounce on the first one, but I'm curious if we're going to continue this momentum going to the upside. Let's go ahead and jump into the 1 hour time frame. I've actually been looking at the 1 hour time frame a lot lately just to kind of get a signal, an early signal on a reversal. So we have resistance right here in my opinion, and I'm watching this trend line going right here. I think if we can break this trend line going to the upside, it does look like we're kind of getting a little rejected right now, but if we could break this trend line going up, then that'll be our good signal that we're maybe going to possibly hit up this top over here, or this trend line that we had. If we zoom out, we have resistance giving us this resistance trend line. So what I'm thinking is, if we can break this 1 hour trend line right here, then maybe it'll be a good signal that we could possibly come up and try to hit this target up here at around maybe 3,193. We also have this little resistance right here as well. We have resistance and resistance. This level is sitting around 2,951. So this is also another spot that I'm kind of looking at that possibly might give us some trouble. But in general, for right now, I'm looking at this smaller trend line to see if we can break up. The other thing I'm watching is, if we zoom in a little bit, we have support right here, support right here. Let's go ahead and do an uptrend like this. Until we break this uptrend going to the downside, something like this or something like this, then I'm thinking that it might hold support and might push us to the upside. Like I said, though, it might break down right here. It's possible we go up, break down here, or I don't know, it just depends. So these are just the things that I'm watching, though, and these are kind of my targets going to the downside, and then this would be my target going to the upside, sitting at around 3,200, 3,000. What is this resistance right here? This is around 3,186, and this one is around 3,200 approximately. Check it out on your own charts, though. If you guys are new to trading and looking at charts, check out this video right here. It'll help you follow along, and it'll help you learn how to look at charts on your own. All right, if you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.